The Dow tumbled more than 1,000 points on Wednesday. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ also unraveling. Who better to turn to at a time like this than pro trader Alan Knuckman? He's the chief market strategist at St. Paul Research. What's your trader talk today, Alan?
Hello, Angie. Continuing to see another stock slide and this negative psychology shift. Both of those need a lift.
I'm glad that you mentioned psychology in the market. What are you seeing as far as the ranges in the stock market?
Overall, if we focus on the macro market, the S&P in general, it's still at the low end of the one-year range where it's traded between 4,100 and 4,800 on a weekly basis. Now, Thursday, we did make some new relative lows and came back to an unchanged close. A big bounce on Friday and another one on Tuesday, but we're been unable to hold these gains so far.
Well, oil is still holding above $100 per barrel. Tell us about your trade trigger.
All right, this week's trade trigger is in Halliburton. Now let's look at oil. Been a momentum market. Oil has been trading between 90 and 110 now for the last 2 months and broken out to the upside. That target's moved to that 130 and those highs once again. We did hit 115 this week, so we'll see where we go from here. Looking at that sector, this stock, Halliburton, is up 700% from its low in 2020. And right now it's about 20% off of its April high on a profit-taking pullback. We're trading between 20 and 40 over the last year. That puts a midpoint support level at 30 to lean on. I'm looking at the Halliburton September 30 call. It's got 4 months of time, trade about $750. The stock's at 36 or so right now, so it's $600 in the money. And in the near term, it's consolidating as well between 34 and 40 for the last 6 weeks as it trades sideways, making a move to the new highs once again.
Alan, you always have an optimistic viewpoint no matter what. What are your trading day takeaways?
All right, let's talk trading trigger number one. PNP reminder. Focus on percentages, not points. The Dow move of 1,000 points is just 3%. Number two, quarter off relief. The 10-year yield, which everybody was so concerned about when it moved back about 3%, is not moving higher, and it's actually off the top from 10 days ago and is 0.25% off there, off that peak level. Just saying.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.